Hey, it's me, Crystal again. And as an expert non-expert, DIYblinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to dress your S-fold curtains. And I can see why. It's pretty obvious. I know how to dress. So let's get going. When you first hang your curtains, you'll need to dress them because it encourages your fabric to fall into rounded, even folds. To do this, fold the heading tape forwards into your room, like this, then backwards behind the track to create an S shape. Repeat the S-shaped folding pattern along the entire length of your curtain. Next, move your curtains to one side, making sure they don't get caught in your wheels. Then, run your hands firmly down each fold or pleat from top to bottom, starting from either end. Fold the curtain onto itself and into an S shape and shake it gently back and forth, like a dance move at the roller disco. Repeat this step at the top, middle, and bottom of your curtains. If possible, don't move your curtains for 24 hours so your fabric memory can form. This is even more important for linen curtains, as their natural fibers tend to have greater memory than polyester. Let creases fall out naturally rather than ironing. Sunlight and warmth are enough for most creases to drop out on their own, and they're also perfect skating conditions. So sit back and enjoy your beautiful curtains. If things aren't rolling along smoothly, just call us on 1300 918 390.